Avelovinit and welcome to another video. It is not a vlog, ladies and gentlemen. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, my name is Ave, or Avelovinit is your girl, and I make travel vlogs. But this time, it's going to be get ready with Avelovinit for you women and also men. So when you see your girlfriend in a really lovely makeup, compliment her. It's like a work of art. You don't get to learn how to use makeup in like just a second. It takes a long process to actually learn how to do all of this. It ain't easy. Every time you go out, you tell her, you look so beautiful, your makeup is on point. Oh, you do have a makeup? You look so natural, baby girl. Okay, this is what I normally do on a normal day if I feel like getting all cute. As you see in my videos, I don't actually wear makeup. I do sometimes, but sometimes I don't when I'm not feeling it. Some of you guys actually have been asking me what my skincare routine is. This is my secret. Yes, water. Nobody likes a thirsty bottle. Always carry a bottle of water with you. I sleep very late and then I wake up early. Always drink water. I cannot stress enough. Your skin will thank me later. Which leads me to my first step. All of us have different kinds of skin and that wasn't necessary, but I had to, unless I wanna gas up. Put a dab onto the 4 major corners of your face and your nose, and don't forget your neck. Spread. I don't have that beauty, whatchamacallit, beauty ring light yet, but I do have this. My sister's lamp, study lamp. Boom! Let there be light. Ave, Ave, Ave Maria. That's what I'm talking about. Who needs a ring light? If you think that it's all been spread it out, you know, throughout your face, not your legs. It's going to be a long day with a lot of meetings. Wow. Just trying to pretend that I'm busy, but I'm actually not busy at all. The importance of the sunscreen, besides protecting your skin, your face, it also protects you from aging. An oldie, but a goodie. Okay, so now primer. I use Rebecca Stella High Roller. I don't know what kind of brush this is. I was asking for a foundation brush. Sales lady gave me this and she was like telling me about how nice this is. So na-sales stock ako, guys. Spread. Foundation, CoverGirl Classic Tan, ladies and gentlemen, and I have been using this 6 to 7 years. There's this product here in the Philippines, but they don't have a freaking skin tone which is Classic Tan. Like, what the freak? Only America. So every time my friend flies to America, I always ask for a bottle or two. This skin tone is not available in the Philippines. Straight to my face. Spread. It matches my skin tone, don't you think? I think it's like all natural. What's up? Lately, I have been obsessed with makeup. Make sure that the foundation is well distributed, and don't forget your neck. Okay, all right, normal human being now. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty in 330. Okay, so actually I tried this foundation, but it didn't work for my skin. It is meant for oily face, and my face is dry at first. That's what I use for my under eyes instead of getting a concealer. Honestly, it dries out my skin. Beignet and banana flavor. Oh, not flavor. What the okay, I'm eating makeup now. What the heck, Ave? Okay, put it under my eyes to set it. Forehead, nose, tip of the nose, just the tip. That's what he always say. Just kidding. There. So I'm gonna use this brush, you know, for eyebrows. I don't pluck my eyebrows. I haven't been plucking it for 2 years. I know it's disgusting, but I like it uncanny. Someone gave me this 3D secret brow set from Miss Line from Bangkok, and that's what I've been using as a pencil to guide my whole eyebrows. I'm gonna use the Fanny Serrano Ash Brown. I'm not good at this, as you can tell. I'm still practicing my own eyebrows. I don't have an eyeshadow, but what I use is this sleek makeup highlighting palette. I use this bronze kind of thing. Use it for my outer and inner crease. Also, comment below if you guys have any suggestions, which is the perfect sunscreen that I can use for my face. Preferably something that I can use also as a foundation. So, you know, I don't have to use sunscreen, and foundation every time I go to the beach. Something that I can use as a sunscreen and also as a foundation all in one under your eyes to give you that glowy kind of vibe. You know what I'm saying? I have a bronzer from Rebecca Stella and it's called Sun Kissed. This is what I'm gonna use for my upper crease. Is that what you call it? Normally I start from the outside to the inside. That's what YouTube told me. I think they know what they're doing. Like me. I don't have no idea what I'm doing. Is it pantay? Baka hindi pantay pala, you know? Is it work it? Let me work it. And put my pain in different universe. Is your... Come on. Now, what I'm gonna do is use the Fanny Serrano again that I used for my eyebrows. A little bit of that here. Just to give a cute outline. Whoa, a cute outline of my eyes, my beautiful eyes. I'm digging it if you're digging it. Remove the excess. Remove the excess. Like Thor's axe. This is my baby. Water. Every time I wake up, I get my phone and then like, hey baby, what we gonna do today? Go for the light shade until the darker shade, because that's what the beauty gurus on YouTube told me. I don't know if this is original, but I bought this in a bazaar contour palette, as you can see. This shade and probably this shade. Oh, may pagano, may pataktak. Always remove the excess. Past is past. Do not discuss. Remove the extra. Make you look thin AF. The jawline, the neck, my back, and my everything that I learned, all thanks to YouTube. Thank you, YouTube, for making our lives better, for keeping us entertained and teaching us stuff that we don't learn in school. Nag-uubad na ako dito, guys. I don't normally do this, but since I'm filming myself. I'm filming myself. I'm filming. Get it? Instant nose lift, mga best. Let's be honest, my nose, it ain't perfect. So you gotta blend that because you don't wanna look like a freaking Pinocchio. You know what I'm saying? Next is the highlighter. Remember, that's what I use for my eyelids. Sometimes you gotta be generous with it. Highlight that mother freaking face. I need a better highlighter. Comment below in the suggestions section which highlighter do you think I should use. I always have an empty mascara bottle with me, and that's what now I'm stuttering. Speak proper English, Ave. Gosh. Just so you know, the reason why I'm speaking English is because for you international viewers could understand my vlogs, okay? I'm not doing it just because I feel ko magpa-social and all, but no. Use the old brush for it and also for the eyebrows. See that? This is where you want to put your blush. It's up to you what kind of blush on you use. If it fits perfectly for your skin tone, if that works for you, go ahead. Sometimes what I like doing, especially when I'm at the beach, I put a little bit on my nose to give that like beachy kind of look, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna use my bronzer and put it a hint of bronze. Venice. There. We getting there. I am absolutely obsessed with this. It's Sephora's matte Rouge Veloute French right here, but I don't actually can understand French except for the bad words. Number 23. Haven't started using lipstick not until just a year ago. So sometimes in my vlogs, if you can notice it, that I don't usually wear lipstick, it's because I don't know, I don't think it's important, but now I'm trying to get to know more about makeup and I'm digging it. I like it. Of course, you need to blend for the final look. Oh, hey. Okay, so that is my makeup tutorial. If you like more of makeup by Avelovinit tutorials, comment below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't, at least thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.